Hello everyone, Dr. Azian. I wanted to come with a quick video right quick because something that has been on my mind recently, and the more and more that I look at videos on YouTube, it's becoming apparent that it's just really irritating. But you know what really grinds my gears? People who don't say excuse me. Like if you know you're out somewhere and you're bumping into people, you know you're about to be in someone's way, say excuse me. It's two words, excuse me. Two fucking words, excuse me. It's not that hard to say. If you know you're gonna be in somebody's way, you walk in at a path of somebody, say excuse me. Or you bump into somebody, say excuse me. And you know who really has it bad? These people who do these hotel tours in Vegas. Like there's multiple channels of guys doing walks on Vegas where they walking on the strip or walking through hotels. And I never hear them not once say excuse me. They walk into the middle people's pictures. They walk into people. They just like people standing. They walk between them. If a family is walking or like elderly people's walking slow, they trying to hurry them up or try to hurry up and stuff like that. I hate it with a passion. Like it don't take that much to say excuse me. I'll never hear them say excuse me. And they can't say, well, we do say excuse me. You can because you hear everything in the audio. You never hear them say anything. Even the ones that do talk during their walks, they never say excuse me or anything. That is one of my pet peeves. Is like, it doesn't take that much to say excuse me. Especially like Vegas is a tourist town. Everyone knows that. People are going to be taking pictures left and right. There's no reason you should be walking in the middle of somebody's picture while they're taking a picture. Go around or wait for them to take that picture. You're not in that bit of a hurry. That's like seriously, you're not in that much of a hurry where you got to walk in the middle of somebody's picture and interrupt them. You don't want anybody interrupting your video. Your pictures are used out of town, so why would you do it to them? Man, that's what's really bothering me right now. That's what really grinding my gears right now is people who don't say excuse me when they're out somewhere. And it ain't even Vegas. It's just in general. People who out somewhere, say excuse me. If you bump into people or you doing stuff, say excuse me. It's two words. It don't take much to say it. Like, come on now, people. Be real. And I really do. That's one of my pet peeves. Like, I know if I can do it, other people can do it. It takes nothing. That's one of the things I've always tried to instill on people that I know. Especially like my little cousins that grew up under me, I've always instilled in them to say excuse me. If they're going out somewhere and they're going by somebody or they interrupt something, say excuse me. It's nothing. That's all I'm saying. But that's what really grinds my gears. I had to come on here and say that video. But yeah, fall installment of BDPS will be coming soon. Look out for that. Should be coming probably next week maybe. Who knows? It might be coming in a few days. Who knows? Just stay tuned. Holler at you guys later. The doctor is out.